In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a chart on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform used by traders and investors to analyze financial markets. If you're looking to save or share your charts with others, knowing how to copy them efficiently is a valuable skill. Let's dive into the simple process of copying your TradingView chart, making sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all of your saved charts and settings. Once you're on the website, open your chart. This is the chart you wish to copy or save for later use. It could be a chart you've spent time analyzing, marking with trend lines, or one that contains valuable insights you want to preserve. After your chart is open and displayed on your screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the chart area. Here, you'll notice a small camera icon. This little icon is your gateway to copying and saving your chart easily. Go ahead and click on that camera icon. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a couple of useful options. Within this menu, you will see the choice to either save the chart as an image or copy the chart. Clicking on Save Chart allows you to download the chart as an image file directly to your computer. This option is perfect for those times when you might want to archive your work locally or share it as an attachment in an email or presentation. Alternatively, you have the option to simply copy the chart. Selecting Copy Chart will place an image of your chart on your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into a message, document, or any platform that supports pasting images, such as a social media post or a discussion forum. This makes sharing your analysis with friends, colleagues, or your online community quick and effortless. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to copy and save your TradingView chart. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly handy when you're working on your market analyses or want to quickly share your insights with others. Whether you're saving charts for future reference or sharing them to spark a conversation, having this skill in your toolkit can streamline your trading activities. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Be sure to use these steps whenever you need to copy or save charts in TradingView. For more helpful tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.